Either you're afraid to take your vehicle out in the woods so you don't get it stuck, or you did get it stuck and you don't have a winch, I'm going to show you how you can get unstuck for only a $25 Amazon purchase. Stay tuned, and if you're new, click the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on another video. Using the come along, and if you don't mind, watch the whole video, because you might be thinking, oh, a come along, I've heard of a come along before, I've used a come along before, but I really want to show you how you can get out with a come along and don't hurt yourself with these things, because you can pinch yourself, the gears, this hook can come over and smash your hand. But for a $25 purchase, I want to show you how you can use this come along to actually recover yourself out and use it with ease, so that way you're not throwing your down and pissed off. And you're gonna see inside of this, you got the grooves. All you got to do is release this. Once this is released, there it is, it's released. So just make sure this is not on the gears. If it is, it's gonna grab it. It's latched on. Press this down and let go. And then you got it free. Then we can just pull this out. There we go. And now we're back to, you have, some that are already going to be here. You cannot go past where it's screwed down there. So just pull it out to there and let's get all this straight and hook it up. It's recommended that when you wrap something around a tree, to go ahead and use something to protect that tree. I don't have anything that I can use to protect the tree that's marketed for a tree saver. So I just use my jacket. Take the other part and hook it to your truck. Grab your chain, get it real tight, and find out where you can hook it. Check your connections to make sure it's not just going to pop out, or it looks like it's going to pop out, and then go put your vehicle in neutral. Now once we have it in neutral, we can go ahead and start cranking. Just be advised, sometimes you're going to have to pull it, readjust your straps or your chains, your cables, and then keep doing that until you can get it to where you need to, or to where you're out and safely able to drive your vehicle. I never said this was fast, but this is the best affordable way for you to winch yourself out without actually buying a winch. I'm always keeping my eye down here because I don't have a huge chain, so my hooks don't go in all the way. For $25, not a bad purchase, right? Save your back, use your hands, and use your arm strength. Don't go back and forth with your back. Save your back. It's best to get full pulls when you're using this. And now it's to the point where I can safely drive out. So I want to release a lot of this tension on the line, so I'm going to go ahead and pull forward. Alrighty, I pulled forward, I've got the slack out, let's just unhook it.